How to change your profile picture on YouTube mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your profile picture on YouTube through the mobile. To do so is quite simple and easy after the update. Let me guide you. First, what you want to do is open up the YouTube app and make sure you are logged into your account. And then what you want to do is head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find at the top right corner of the screen. And then head into your channel option. Now here what you want to do is tap on the edit option that you can find at the screen. Now you can see a little pen icon at the screen right there. It's the edit option. Tap on it and you'll be able to edit your channel here. Now to change a profile picture, as I said after the update, is quite easy. What you want to do is simply tap on the camera icon that you can see along with the profile. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to choose it from your gallery, or you'll be able to take a quick picture. Now I'll just choose it from my gallery here and head into Instagram and select a picture and tap on save as profile picture. And once you do this, your profile picture will be changed. You can see profile photo has been updated successfully. So this way you can change your profile picture on YouTube mobile. You can similarly change cover photo by simply tapping on the camera icon that you can see along with the cover picture as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.